Welcome everybody to another beautiful day in LA. Today, we're going to be reviewing the British Custom Sleeper Pro exhaust for the 2017 Bonneville T120 Black. Let's hear what she sounds like, shall we? You can tell right off the bat that it's much louder than the original stock exhaust. Now here it is revving at 5,000 RPM. Now I am running the stock catalytic converter. Should that be replaced with an X-pipe, the sound will substantially be louder. One of my absolute favorite things about this exhaust is how tightly it's packed in towards the frame. Unlike the stock pipes where it just flares out quite significantly. And this is the way I like it, my preference. And another thing I really like about these pipes was the way it was designed to look like the classic pea shooters. And I wanted to keep that nostalgic look to this motorcycle, and I think it plays very well with the design. What I'm going to do now is insert a few clips to what it sounds like being on the bike. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this and found it somewhat informative. I really dig it, and if you dig it too, I'm going to leave a link down in the description below where you could purchase it through Amazon. If you guys enjoyed that review, please do like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, be sure to keep those side stands up. Peace!